Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and today's video I'll be showing you how to grow microgreens without grow lights and just sunlight. Let's get to it. Okay, so here is the soil. This is gonna be peat moss or cocoa pea, or you can use compost, but I suggest cocoa pea or peat moss is gonna be better. And you get your Tupperware, so you can get a cardboard box or a plastic thing like this. This is about 2 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters deep. So you want to get something about 2 to 4 centimeters deep. The reason to get something 2 to 4 centimeters deep is because you don't need a lot of soil to germinate the microgreens. For example, if you're going to use like this, the ice cream Tupperware, can you see how deep is it? You're going to use more soil because you want to fill it till the top. Because when you're going to have your microgreens, you want to cut it from the stems down, so this is not going to work out. Okay, so I'm going to get this now filled up. So as I'm filling this up, I just want you guys to know that I became partnership with YouTube. If you would like, you can check down the memberships down below and the super thanks. So while you're filling it, you don't have to press it down, so you can just drop it in. So this microgreen kit, my friend gave it to me. But I'm going to show you now what other seeds you can use. So seeds you can use is sunflower. So this is the sunflowers that I'm growing for myself. I'm not growing this for microgreens, but that is one example. Then we have peas, what you can do as well, and turnips, kale, mustard, beetroot. Yeah, so that's the few you can do, and then also you can mix them together. You don't have to just do one type. You can mix them together and have a variety of different flavors. So for this one I'm going to use radish. So when you sprinkle it, before you sprinkle it, you want to make this moist first. You want to get the soil nice and moist. So if you're gonna do this in plastic, if you're gonna do it in plastic trays, just make sure they have holes and you have a tray underneath it for the water to leak in. But this is, so I'm using cardboard, so it's fine because the water will come out. So now I'm gonna put the radish on here. So I'm gonna use all of this. So you wanna make it like a nice. Sprinkle it all over. Then in the next one I'm gonna do red mustard seeds. And now you don't bury them, you just leave them on top of the surface and water them. So now you just want to cover them with something, like for example if you're using plastic, just put another plastic thing on top like this. Obviously I can't do that as this one is not gonna germinate properly, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just take a piece of newspaper or something, just put it on top. Like for the first few days you don't want it to get sunlight yet, just so they can all germinate properly at the same time. I'll see you back when they start germinating. Okay, so it's day 2 now, so this is the cover on top of it so we can keep it dark. So I took the plastic bags where this was in, so to cover it, just so we can keep the moisture in. So what you want to do is you can just take cling wrap or even a ShopRite bag or Checkers bag, whatever packet, just put it over to keep the moisture in. So it's day 2, so let's see how they're doing. Most of the radish has germinated. I'm just going to try to spread this ones out here, and this one is fine. Just need to maybe see if I can get some over here. So as you can see, this is all the seeds. This isn't mold or anything, it's just the roots growing. Day 4. So most of them did germinate, so I'm gonna start removing the plastic bag now. Okay, so most of the radish has germinated and some of the red mustard did not yet germinate. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cover it with a box so that it doesn't touch the seedlings. But I'm still keeping it dark, so I'm not gonna yet put it in the sun to let it turn green yet. So I'm not gonna yet put it in the sun, I'm just gonna keep it still dark for more to germinate and for this to get a bit longer, because it is somewhat didn't germinate yet, or did germinate but the leaves are not coming yet. So it's day 6. This is the radish and this is the red mustard. So I took them out of the box, so no more darkness now, so I'm gonna put them in the sun so they can get green. Let's go put them in the sun. So now they're outside in the sun, so you don't want them to get direct sun, maybe 50-50 for the beginning, because they need to first get used to the sun properly before you put them in full sun. Day 10. So I put them in the sun for about 2 to 3 hours just to get some color. So when they started to get the color, I brought them in, so they don't get now direct sunlight, but they are getting sunlight. So I just left them to grow a bit more, and now they full on got their colors. So now you can just cut them, and then yeah, that's how you grow microgreens without grow light. I'm gonna trim some of the radish, or just one just to taste it. So it tastes just like a radish, just in leaf form. And it is a bit sweet and a bit spicy. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like. Thank you. Backyard out.